suffer. If I follow politicians, you go see an newspaper, then go call on prostitution. Woulda no like enjoyment if money dey inside pocket. Empty our national budget, we go blow on like trumpet. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go. Make it total more. Go back, go back, go back, go. Make it total more. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go. Make it total more. Go back, go back, go back, go. Make it total something. Ain't said darling, I dey watch you go. Small thing, you turn foo-foo. You start for shout moo. The money you know work for. Bad commando. You total valor. Wait, you shaking go blow. Beside the money there, we go. Go back, go back, go back, go.
Okay guys, good morning from Vigan. So this vegan vlog is just everywhere. I almost say it's just everywhere. Like I didn't really put in much time into vlogging it because most times when you go out with friends you just forget yourself that I actually wanted to vlog this trip. But anyways, I think the last video I did was when we got here, the video I did at the lobby and all that, and after then everybody was carried away. I did not even film room tour, and right now the room is a mess. When I mean a mess, I'm still going to show you guys how the room looks like, but pardon me, it's a mess. When I mean a mess, you should understand triplets guys how it is. Yeah, so that's it. Another reason again why I couldn't vlog yesterday, I made arrangement for 4 for this trip, but we were 5 that came, so we're trying to look for a way to fit one person in because we booked 2 rooms and they were like, if you want to add, you have to pay extra 2,008. I'm like, that's too much just to add one person. But anyways, that is it for this vlog. We'll be leaving today. It's just one night, so we'll be leaving today. The guys are sleeping, so I don't know if I'll use this other people's room and do a room tour. The place our room is a mess. When I mean a mess, like I'm going to show you guys later. Then I'm going to just show you guys what my view is looking like right now here that I'm standing. I'm gonna show you the view of this place. The way I'm just looking, let my phone not fall. If my phone falls inside the pool straight, let me show you guys. Yeah, so this is the view from our door. As you can see, this is how the place, this is like the arrangement. This is our room. See, yeah, this is just it. Honestly, yeah, this is the pool I was talking about. Like my phone fall straight inside the water. Yeah, so and there's a rooftop as well. I'll go and check that out. I'll go and check it out very soon. And yeah, okay guys, so I'm at the rooftop now. I just said let me come and check it out. Like nothing much is going on here. So this is how the rooftop is. And I think this place, they really don't have tall buildings like that because all the buildings are looking almost almost the same. I don't know, but let me see, let me show you guys. Let me flip my camera so you can see the place very well. Oh my god.
Yeah, what they want telling me could deny my fantasy. They want to check if my tap be no rush. But if they rush my way, it be much. Now gotta make my tap in the rush. The kind of money we touch. If they rush my way, it be much. Don't be hype, everybody they cross. There's no darling with us. There's no darling.
Okay guys, so for the room tour, when you enter, there's this cabinet here. The door has a mirror on it. Then there's a chair and table here. This is supposed to be 2 chairs, but we moved one.
Yeah, so like I said, the place is messy. Like when I mean messy, and I brought food though because we don't have to be spending money for food. So I cooked and all that. Then there's this mirror. Then this other side, then there's a basket with towels. We did not even touch that towel. That's the plate we brought by the side. Then there's TV. You can see the building, it's looking ancient. Then this is the second chair that was supposed to be close to that table. They had to put it there so they can put their game on it. Then there's two beds. This is their family room. Yeah, it's their family room. Yeah, so after the bed there's this painting. You can see the wall. Then there's this bathroom over here. Well, this is where I will give a thumbs down though, because if a group of people are staying here that are, you know, not couples, it's not really good, because when you're bathing and the light is on, people inside the room can see you. So that's one thing I really don't like. Since you made the room this big for 4 or 5 people, then there should be privacy, you get. So that's just it. Apart from that, every other thing is good. The toilet is neat, you know, everything is just there. Then they use rug. I think Vigan is like one of the oldest city. Then after that, when the guys are up, we went down for breakfast. So this is us going down to get our breakfast. And another thing, their elevator is transparent. I like it, but I really don't like it because I'm scared of heights. But it's good, Sha. Then we got to the restaurant. Everything is just looking so nice, you know, giving you that Asian vibe, but very fine. Yeah, so here when we entered, I was just like, oh, this place is okay, the place is nice, they have nice painting as well. Like the place is so neat. I give them 10/10 for that. The place is neat, customer service is okay. Then they gave us their breakfast menu. I went for beef tapao. I don't like trying new things. I went for what I know. Like, look at the paintings. I was just like, you know, trying to get content for you guys while we were waiting for our food. Yes, so I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this vlog.
Sabi girls know they too like dog. Animals they in human form. Body man nobody like work, but you must hustle if you want job. If no finish they all fighters. If them they run they no figure job. I know they say I'm too righteous. No gun they form like say you like us. We no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make me dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me could deny my fantasy. They want to check if my time be no rush. But if they rush my way, it be much. Now gotta make my time be the rush. The kind of money we touch. If they rush my way, it be much. Don't be hype, everybody they crush. There's no darling with us. There's no darling. Just for me, Jack Bata, they cook and they never thought you they for papas. Which kind of money we never see before. Cause telling me got me feeling I'm the one AJ. I never take my cake away. You can't call my grace. I just stay my lane. We no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make me dance like broccoli. Steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me could deny my fantasy. They want to check if my time be no rush. But if they rush my way, it be much. Now gotta make my time be the rush.
Many minutes later.
Okay guys, so this is our final day in Vigan. So we are leaving in 20 minutes, in 30, I don't know. So I don't know if I'm going to show any other thing after this one, but if I don't show anything again, subscribe, like, share, you know the drill.